Have you ever followed every indicator on TradingView and still kept losing money? I know that pain, because for years that was me, night after night, staring at charts jumping from scalping to day trading, swing trades, breakouts, trend strategies, support and resistance, always chasing the next strategy that was supposed to work. I stacked indicators like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, moving averages, VWAP, Ichimoku, even custom scripts. My charts were full, my mind was confused, and my results worse than ever. The problem wasn't effort. It was that the indicators lagged, repainted, and only looked perfect after the trade was over. And that mistake cost me -$50,000. Money, confidence, and belief in the market. I almost quit trading completely. But stay until the end of this video, because I'll show you the one indicator that changed everything for me. No clutter, no lag, no repainting. For the first time, signals made sense in real time, entries were clear, risk felt controlled, and slowly I rebuilt not just my account but my confidence. If you've ever felt lost on TradingView, this video is for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's talk about the mistake that nearly ended my trading and the tool that saved it.